इन 2018-19 में 19 में इट वाज 8.65%, दैट वाज द इंटरेस्ट। उसके बाद कट होके 19-20 में इट वेंट ऑन टू 8.5। आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर इट वाज सेम, बट अभी फॉर द ईयर ऑफ 2021 and 22 the interest rate is 8.1%. I want to ask you a very specific question, is with this less interest rate now, how is it impacting all the account holders basically?
See, rate of interest थोड़ा कम हुआ ज़रूर है, and see what is the rate of interest which EPFO gives as of now. It is, as you compare with any other to say financial instruments available, it's still far better. And it is monthly compounding also. So rate of interest is good. Definitely as compared to last year, 8.5 say it has been reduced to 8.1. So that is a policy decision taken by due diligence. After a lot of deliberations, it has been finally decided. So this is the thing. That's whatever minor impact will happen,